How to convert lowercase to uppercase in Excel. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel and you can see I have some sample text here. So let's start with the video. So first select the cell where you want result. Okay, so if you want result here, then just select that cell. Now type equal sign for function for formula. Okay, now we need to type upper. Okay, hit the tab. Now select the text and close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you can see this text has been converted in from lower to uppercase. Now if you want to apply the same result to rest of text, then select the first result cell, then click that corner and click and hold it and drag it. Then you can see the all text has been converted from lower to uppercase. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.